Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to transfer Toncoin from Kucoin to your Tonkeeper wallet. Let's get started. First, make sure you have your Tonkeeper wallet address ready. You'll need it to receive your Toncoin. Now open Kucoin and ensure your account is verified with the necessary security measures in place. Next, tap on Assets and then go to Funding. From there, select Withdrawal. In the Withdrawal section, choose Toncoin (TON) as the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Now paste your Tonkeeper wallet address in the recipient field. Be sure to double check it, avoid any errors. For the network, select Ton. No need to enter a memo since Tonkeeper does not require one. If you want to send your full balance, tap Max. Once everything looks good, tap Withdraw and confirm the transactions. That is it. Your Toncoin should arrive in your Tonkeeper wallet shortly. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.